Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you one simple technique that can help you boost and improve your hair growth. Normally, our hair grows out of the scalp on its own without any help, as long as blood is flowing to your scalp and as long as you are healthy internally and you are eating well, you're feeding well, with or without doing anything to your hair at all, your hair will grow out of the scalp normally. However, this simple technique, research has shown that this technique helps to boost hair growth. So what is that technique? It's something that is common in the hair community, but many people do not put it into practice simply because, there is one thing to learn about a thing, is another thing to implement. But over the years, it is something that has helped me in my own hair care journey, and I've also, taught other women, my students, and people who register for a one-on-one coaching session with me. I've taught it to them, and there has been tremendous results when it comes to using this technique. And what is that technique? It's very, very simple. But before I go into the technique, I'll be talking about the benefits of this technique. Now, this technique helps in, increasing blood flow to the scalp whenever you do it. And why is blood flow to the scalp important? If your scalp is not receiving rich supply of blood, it will affect your hair growth. What makes your hair grow out of the scalp is because the hair follicle in your scalp is receiving a constant supply of nutrients from the blood that is being supplied to it, right? And whenever your hair follicles get this needed supplements or nutrients from the blood, it boosts hair growth. So there is a need for constant supply of blood to the scalp. Now there are different ways to get to increase blood circulation in the scalp, but one very fast way to increase blood circulation to the scalp is scalp massaging. So this technique, if you can commit yourself to scalp massages, on a daily basis, you'll be shocked at the amount of growth that your hair would have. Now, this scalp massaging is as simple as, using your fingers, your finger pads to massage your scalp. Though this requires hand power, your arms would definitely be the one to do the work, and it's going to require energy. However, there are tools that you can also use. You can use a scalp massager, and you can also use, I think, the automatic one. You can also use an automatic one. You can get it on Amazon or any online store that you can find it. When you commit to massaging your scalp on a daily basis, it will bring about blood flow to your scalp, all right? And once blood flows to your scalp, what happens? The result is that there will be increased hair growth, and not just increased hair growth, the quality of hair that will grow out of your scalp would be so strong. It will be a rich strand of hair. Another way you can, go about this is inverting the inversion method. You just take your head upside down, and while your head is upside down, at least blood is flowing to the scalp. So those are the two ways in which you can carry out your scalp massaging. The idea of scalp massage is to ensure that on a daily basis you massage your scalp, because when you do that, I've already explained the benefits of massaging your scalp. It increases the circulation of blood flow to your scalp, which will result in boosting hair growth. So every morning, while you are doing your morning routine, it's something you can just do while you're doing your morning routine, maybe creaming your body or doing your skincare routine. Just in 5 minutes or 3 minutes, just go ahead to massage your scalp thoroughly. Every area of your scalp, massage it thoroughly until you feel that tingling sensation of blood flowing to your scalp before you stop. I believe that if you do this technique, track your progress over the months or over 2 months, you will see tremendous progress in not just in the length of your hair, but in the quality of the hair that is coming out of your scalp. I hope you've learned something in this video, and I hope you'll be giving this technique a try to help boost your hair growth. If this is something you'll be trying, Do let me know in the comment section, and if you also know other variations of this technique, do also drop it in the comment section. But at this point, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. That'll be all for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye.